coffee in a foam cup. I swore today my aim was all grown up. Duck dog shaking, tail like a metronome. God said right there, I sent that shell on home. But the dead bird flew away. Guess it just resurrected midair today. Feathers laughing, wings saying no way. I swore I hit it, but the dead bird flew away. Hey! Buddy's recordings on his little phone. Slow-mo playback shows how far I was from home. He's crying, laughing, can't even breathe my name. Says you're the first man to miss that much. Still explain, cause a dead bird flew away. Must have caught a miracle on my stray spray. I'll blame the sun, the wind, my old gauge, anything but me when the dead bird flew away. Hey! Tagging every branch except the thing with wings. If missing was a contest,